Has this ever happened to you? You have this nice roll of cord or cable, then when you come to unwind it, it just gets all tangled. Well, I'll show you a technique on how to properly roll a cable so you don't have to worry about tangles anymore. Now this is coaxial cable. It's called RG8 for amateur radios, for two-way radios, and when you pull it, you have to be careful not to make a very tight bend, otherwise you may damage the inside of the cable. So we have to be very careful when pulling it. You can't just treat it like any other cord or any other rope. So it's now all untangled, and normally when we roll up cables, we just keep on rolling and turning and twisting a bit until it becomes hard to roll or turn, and sometimes kinks like this or twists start to form. Now I'm gonna show you a technique that I've been using for many years to avoid these kinds of problems. Okay, I have this. I'm left-handed, by the way, so I'm holding it with my left hand. If you want, you can just do the mirror for your right hand, doesn't matter. So anyway, first I'm gonna make one roll the normal way, like that. Then next, as you can see here, I'm gonna move back a little. Normally you just roll it one more time like that, but me, I'm gonna do it differently. I'm gonna hold it like this. See, I'm gonna hold it like that. I'm gonna twist it like that. Then so that's the second one. On the third roll, you do it normally again, like that. Then once again, you twist on the third one, just like that. Okay, so what's happening is, when you twist normally, you turn the cable. Maybe you're not noticing it, but you're turning the cable, you're twisting the cable 360 degrees. See, I'm twisting like that. But when you're doing it in my technique, on the first roll, you twist it 360, but on the second roll, you twist it the other way, negative 360 degrees. In that way, the first 360 degree rotation is just negated by the second one. Again, I'm gonna do it slowly. Normal and twist like that, and reverse. I'm not sure if you can see it clearly. I'm gonna do it again. Normal, then see, twist, then normal, then see, twist. Okay, I'm gonna move back some more. I'm not sure if I can be seen on screen. Normal, then twist, then reverse. Normal, then twist and reverse. Normal. Okay, I think that's the last. Now I'll show you the magic. Now if I just keep on pulling, see, even if I'm careless like that, it doesn't get tangled. Even if I drop it and I pull it, see, it's not tangled. Then I can just start pulling it out. Okay, I'm gonna do it again in case you missed it. It's all laid out on the ground. Okay, I'm gonna do it normally. Then twist in reverse. Normal. Reverse. Normal. And 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 reverse. And normal. Now, don't forget to tie this all up so it won't scatter when you toss it around. Anyway, this is Napsters here, and thank you for watching. Well, I'm back. Well, this can also work for garden hoses, for long cables, for rope, and about anything else. Anyway, thanks for watching.